18号嘛，哦，要40
好好吃啊！台湾
桃园哦。
要记得呢。
对，那
好久吧。
Now that's Matt's favorite. Been thinking about this for a long time. This weather is so nice. Can't believe how hot it is today.一直修理。好，谢谢。然后这个，对呀，好好好，这样多少？
是。
厂的，所以旁边的边给你都修得很好。
哇 ，Look at this！
后面给你弄了。
They did such a good job. And then this one as well. Looks brand new. Wow. They are always at this corner or on the street. It's so good. If you want to fix your shoes or get it resold, this is the spot. Mom said their store has been here for 60 years, so they always come here to fix their shoes. First bubble tea. 用手开就好了。We don't need this. 你的手腕这里才不会水。Divided your tablet into half. Mom's gonna get one. Here we go. All the beauty products. 哇！我觉得很肥很可怕，煎起来干干。哎呦！Going to have a haircut today. Yes, finally! Oh, it's looking a bit grey today. And it's chilly. I don't understand why Matt can have shorts and Birkenstocks on. I'm having layers on. 2年前买的。而且刘海太短，好像它会很危险。你今年有计划要去哪里？
今年完全会破坏。
为什么？
去年那个。
太好了，很像一颗蛋。
我昨天去，我最近开超人。刚剪完的时候刚剪完新。
赞。New hiking shoes, guys. They are so cute and comfy. Oh yeah, look at this. With the bamboo, so good. Today I was shooting a campaign with Mom. I haven't spoken to the camera this week yet. Today is finally sunny again. Yesterday it was freezing and a bit rainy. So I'm happy. Just doing a little bit of location scouting. Not really sure where to go, but we'll figure it out. This week just been chilling and eating a lot, running a lot of errands, getting my hair cut done. I got it a little bit shorter and the bangs a little bit shorter as well, if you can tell. Not a lot shorter, but I swear he took out a lot of hair. But I might go again before we leave Taiwan. I might just go have another trim. But it's good to be back. This cup is so cute, you can open it halfway and you can see the latte art. That's so clever. Bye. So go. A very chaotic background fit check today because there is literally no clean space. So I went for long boots. These are from Massimo Dutti. They are so good, and I don't know if you can see from this camera, but the toes are round, which is perfect because I cannot do narrow boots, and it's like a glove boot. So good with wearing skirts or even like white jeans, white trousers. I went for all black today with the woolly skirt from Theory. I don't think they're available anymore, but I'm sure you can find a similar style. I'll probably link the similar styles below. And went for a white t-shirt with Armada label knit. So comfy, so good. I am adding a coat today because it's kind of chilly in Taiwan, surprisingly. Adding this coat, I only bought one big coat and then a trench with me to Taiwan this time because I know it's normally quite warm, but I'm glad I did bring a coat in the end. This is from Madewell. Perfect length, perfect arm lengths as well, so it's really good. Adding obviously the roll window so I don't look so dark with a pop of brown in this outfit. Before I go out, I just want to quickly catch up, chat to you guys, because coming home is always spending time with family, and this time we're staying with mom and dad as well, so I could never find a quiet time to speak to the camera. It's always somebody in the background playing TikTok or something like that. It's been so lovely to be back. Although the weather has been a bit chillier than I thought it would be, but it's all good, Just spending time with family this week, having meals, and just doing my normal appointments, things I would normally do when I'm back home. So this week's vlog will be like things I must do when I'm back to Taiwan, but maybe next week I'm also having more appointments. I normally do a lot of like self-care things when I'm back, like having my haircut done. Next week I think I'll go to dentist, it's not very interesting, but yearly checkup things that I always do when I'm back here. Next week I'm also doing a facial. Tomorrow I'm doing my eyebrows. Do you know, self-care? It's all about self-care. I normally do these things when I'm back for Chinese New Year. So to start the year fresh, so I'm ready to go again. It's good. I love doing these things when I'm back, but this weekend we are going down south to see my mom's side of family. So my mom's side of family are all located in the south, and my dad's side is always in Taipei. We are always in Taipei when we're back, and we normally just go down for 2 or 3 days during Chinese New Year. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that, and looking forward to show you a little bit of south. We're going to Taichung and Kaohsiung, so that's going to be fun. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog, and I'll speak to you soon again. Look at this croissant Christmas tree. Everyone putting their phone on tables when they leave to order their food. I can't believe it. We're at my grandma's favorite lunch place, and every day they have a set menu. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You have different set, and you only have one choice. And it comes with dessert, soup, coffee, or juice.
可能叫咖喱，
谢谢。
好。你们给个给几碗饭？
哦，不用不用不用。
不是，可能是我们拍作品。
我们在做睫毛跟眉毛，我要睡了，眼睛要闭起来了。你可以弄，然后我就。
那你往上爬。
This is how you order food 。好，等一下还有什么？哦，还有5根肠旺法，还有什么？我要干煸四季豆。这是空心菜。
你要当手模。对啊，哇，抖，黄金传说有没有？下次录给你。
Eco money. We're going to Kaohsiung and Taichung this weekend, and Matt's got his fishing gear ready here. He's gonna go fishing every morning. I'm not.
Hell yeah.
Are you looking forward to that?
Can't wait.
Look at this. Oh yeah. So good. We came here last year as well. This is the spot. Mi Gao. 终于，
而且最近都没有吃到地瓜叶，不知道为什么。
So, I know this song. I learned it.
Go on then.
I'm embarrassed. I can't sing it.
Don't be embarrassed. This is the place to sing a song.
I got PTSD from the last time.
What? My uncle said you're so bad at singing. Don't even know this song. What the hell?
GR, it's like GR.
Yeah, one of those.
这个是
现在
这600。
It looks a lot like the other one we had.
Yeah, no. coming to the same red tea spot every year in Kaohsiung. 冰红茶2杯，然后1杯鲜奶红茶，都是冰的。鲜奶红茶少冰。I know I've said it last year, but this place is just so good.
How do they make a simple tea so hang like that? How does she do it?
I think it might be the sugar or the tea leaves they're using. It's very different, and it's just so good, and it's so cheap. Ooh, beef noodle again. Looks so good.
这种这里跟原来拢不公平的，阿妈是因为20个，你袂使因为减钱。
Hello from Kaohsiung. I'm just getting ready in the bathroom. As you can see, Dyson doesn't work in Taiwan because it's the different electric pressure, is that how you call it? So I just bought a random cheap hair curler, which works just fine. Every year when we come back, it's like super hot in the south, but this time it's the first year that the weather has been a little bit grey. But we don't mind that. Matt already been gone since 5 a.m. to fishing this morning, and I'm just gonna hang out with my mom and my brother this afternoon, take some pictures if we can, and then tonight we'll spend some more time with my great-grandma. So the reason why we come back to Kaohsiung every year is to see my great-grandma. She must have been 100 years old or something like that, which is amazing. And so a quick stop tonight in Kaohsiung, and tomorrow we're heading to Taichung, which is where my mom's from. Well, we're going to see her sister and her brother, which is my uncle and my auntie, and then heading back to Taipei tomorrow night. So that's the annual trip that we take every year when we're back to Taiwan. We always go to these two places to see all the families, which is very nice, and I love being in the south. It's even more relaxed than Taipei. Loads of good food. Sorry if this position is looking a bit weird. Normally take me less than 10 minutes to do this, and now my hair is a little bit shorter than before. It's even quicker, and voila, look, it's really good. But I normally do my fringe a little bit different. I normally pull it forward a little bit rather than sideways, so it's more of a natural wave, and then the same on the other side, and we're done. It's not bad, right? No spray needed, I think. Breakfast today. Got myself a nice latte because it got really hot all of a sudden. From Raw Cafe? I don't really know how you pronounce the name. Ooh, this was very needed. Let's take an annual bike trip to Shiziwan, shall we? It's one of Matt's favourite things to do over here. We're using U-bike. Oh, okay. And you can just use your Metro card to tap on here. Very handy. So that one.
Maybe.
The weather is so perfect today for biking. Oh yeah. I used to come to this park and fly some kites with my uncle when I was little. We've been thinking about this for a whole year. I love the yuan. Last time we also had 雪花冰, didn't we?
What do you mean?
Let's see.
然后呢？
这个是这个号码要 match one of the small one.
这个是
这个是你的号码，对。
我是
2跟6。好，那第三个呢？3个一样的号码。
3个一样的。
加油
Give me one more Uber. How much is there? 200 there.
Another 200. Oh no.
我就知道，我再也不管。
Found a little vintage shop. Oh, maybe it's closed. Oh, that's actually quite cool. Not too hot. But this is where you can find good bits, I guess.
Have you explained why I'm a bit sunburned?
Matt went fishing this morning very early for half day. Came back like this.
Everyone's wondering why I'm a bit red.
Yeah, you look so red on your neck.
I like the chocolate one with the grape inside, but I'm trying a different one today.
What's in it? Strawberry. The grape one is better.
The grape one's better.
That's Matt's new addiction. My new addiction is the mochi from Family Mart. It's got red bean paste and strawberry in it. Going to Taichung today.是不相机啊！哇，理解的店，人家是。
有喜欢另外一间小笼包，
终于吃到小笼包了。
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cute. Taichung's weather is also so good. Always good, really. Look, that's papaya tree.
我要喝这个超肥的东西吗？
哪一个是超肥的东西？
有一个那个
哪里？他自己讲，哎、这听起来超肥的啦。
对啊，那个然后会像烤盘，其实它头白算
哎，嗨，哈哈哈哈哈哈！
因为如果
Hello, I'm in Taichung today. Came to do hydrofacial, and I'm going to do a pickle laser in a bit. Just my annual self-care things that I always do to deep cleanse my face. And then tonight I'm going to meet my uncle and his family for dinner. So yeah, this clinic is so beautiful. I've been here last year, absolutely love it. So yeah, this is another annual thing that I always do when I come back home. 蛮幽默的，还有帮我
加强的点点。
对
对，那 F 就是有个咖啡变干性，然后毛管会比较紧实。
还好吗？那是为什么会黄？有脏。
下面有微微的。
我很喜欢这里耶。The weather is so nice today. We're back to the Dihua Street today. It's always very festive here during Chinese New Year. And there are so many new cool shops, but traditional at the same time, to explore. For example, this one. So cool. Mine is new chopsticks. I love how they display the chopsticks. You can choose a chopstick case. Maybe I will get. 哦，这个是不是蛮好的？但是它这上面红红的。可是很漂亮哎，我喜欢细细的。
但是我喜欢前面要一横一横。
这个吧，也没有。
也没有。
你买了什么鞋啊？
这个啊
好穿吗？
很好穿。
好多人，好挤。Have it now.
西班牙啊，你在西班牙留学哦
Fried mango.
才3公克，最大。
This is mom's heaven. I'm just living in it. The dry mango, guys. Oh my god. This is the shit. If you ever find yourself in Taiwan during this time of the year, make sure you come here. Have a wander. Dried pineapple. Another thing that you have to try is the walnut cake. Ah, it's so good. 就是这个味道。There's a layer of rice paper wrapping around it so it doesn't stick on the packet. I think it's so clever. Mm.
然后你说他去跟土地公活杯，土地公就会跟他。
This is mom's recommendation for dessert. Okay. What do you think? I like the brown. I'm forcing her to try the brown cardigan instead of the navy one. I'm just very into brown. I think brown is good. She doesn't like the brown. She's gonna go for black. Got you.